I welcome the decision of the government to hand it over to GTDC, but this monument, this jail, part of Fort Aguada, should be kept for public viewing purpose. You know, some money can be charged and you can go inside and see the entire jail, part of Fort Aguada. People come on Fort Aguada, they see Fort Aguada and they go. So this is an additional thing which people can see. So when government is spending all the money today, it is very good that the jail will be preserved. So keeping its ancient look which is there, it has to be kept like that only, the heritage importance. And there is a similar concept in Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They call it Kala Pani, the jail, and there is sound and light show. So I have heard that the GTDC also wants to introduce a similar concept on Aguada jail. So history will have to be shown over there. So in this, I think freedom fighters will play a very big role. A lot of freedom fighters are still there who knows the history of this jail. So we can go in the history and see what is required to be done for this. And I am against commercializing of this property. Commercializing means making rooms, giving it as a hotel, because we already have a lot of rooms in Kalangut Kandalimbag. Already on the same fort there is a hotel called Fort Aguada Beach Resort, which is part of Taj already. So on the fort there is a hotel. We do not want one more hotel to come. We want this jail premises to be a viewing gallery. There could be a museum inside. There could be sound and light show, and you charge to go inside. People have to pay money. Like it could be 200 rupees per head. Let person pay money, go inside. Commercialization should not happen. Like rooms of a hotel should not be fitted inside. Other things is welcome, like a small cafe inside is welcome. So let this be there for the people of India, for the people of the world, for people of Goa as a heritage site to see. People go inside, they see, they feel nice, they come out.